How to quit your 9-to-5 job, all in less than 10 minutes. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch on YouTube. Sitting here as someone who has done it, I'm going to give you everything that you need to know. It's super simple, hard to do, but a simple process that most people can't do. And we need to start with your why. You need to figure out, why do you actually want to escape your job? For me, I did not want to be told what to do, who to work with, where to work, when I can go to the toilet, when I can book a holiday. I was not up for that. That was not cool. I wanted a life by design and time freedom, and not to worry about bills, and to put that power in an employer's hands. I was not okay with that. So figure out your why. Do you come from a place of pain? Have you struggled with money in the past and you just fed up with it? And then you need a pain and a consequence. You need something that is so deeply burning and deeply rooted within you that if you do not escape your job, there will be a massive consequence, because that's the way humans work. We only tend to really do something drastic when we're told it's too late or it's at the very last moment. Go through a prevention phase and start taking action now. Like, will you become bitter and regretful when you're 60 years old looking back at your life thinking, God, I wish I'd have built that tech company or built out that application or just give it a go? Are you going to go through divorce because you'll blame your partner for not fulfilling your dreams? Like, what will happen? Take yourself to the worst case scenario. And then you need self-mastery in the workplace. If you are starting a business and you are planning your escape, do not tell your co-workers, because they will jeopardize it for you, because they have the inability to escape. You can, but you have to believe. But do not tell your co-workers or trust anyone in a situational relationship which is hyper competitive. And then you need discipline and accountability and consistency. Nothing happens unless you are disciplined to get up and do it every single day. The learning, the applying, the business building, the marketing, the sales, being the cleaner, the sales rep, the customer service person. You need discipline, and you need accountability for the good, the bad and the ugly that is about to come your way. And then you need consistency, and most importantly, believe. I want to read out a quote to you. A young poor man said to a millionaire, "I will become rich." Everyone laughed except the millionaire. Do you understand that? There are good people out there who will support your entrepreneurial journey. Myself, other entrepreneurs, go on to Help Bank, Simon Squibb. There are people out there that want you to do well. In the workplace, it's all about backstabbing. In entrepreneurship and building a business, it's about collaboration. You know, everyone can have a piece of the pie. So you have to believe it's possible, okay? That quote just sums it up, right? And also Jeff Bezos. The rich become richer because the poor think every opportunity is a scam. Everyone who is in a job doesn't believe there's more because they've been programmed to believe that we go in, do job, stack shelves, go home, pay bills and mortgage till we're 68 years old. No, like, life can be whatever you want it to be. Self-educate daily. In order to build a business and replace your job, you need to be learning and developing yourself as a person, to learn new skill sets, to build a new market, to provide a service or a product where you can exchange that for money. Okay, so you must be learning Audible, seminars, podcasts, YouTube. Fill your brain with good stuff and cut out all the rubbish. You need to find a business model that is working now and will work in the future. AI, editing, agencies, high ticket commissions, sales progressions, whatever it might be, paid communities, you know, e-com, whatever you want to build out. Social media, personal branding, YouTube, I don't know, whatever. But start building the business model and trial and error. Like, give it a go. Just start now. Stop waiting till next week and get good with money. You need to be able to manage your own money if you're going to run a business. Okay, start cash stacking so you've got FU money in the bank. I talk about this all the time. Stop buying materialistic things and strip back your finances so you live on a smaller net number of your income. You might be earning £2,000. Do you need to be spending £2,000 a month? Reduce it and live on less and invest the rest. Cash stack. I can't stress it enough. Now, this is the harsh part where people will be like, oh, I'm not prepared to do that, which is why not many people escape. No more holidays for the next 2 to 5 years. No sleeping 8 to 10 hours. You're gonna have to sleep less. Work weekends and bank holidays. Work 2 shifts every day. Work your full-time job, 30, 40, 50 hours, just like I did. I'll have some images pop up during this video and probably before me talking now about my journey. Work every hour that God sends you until successful. You have to remember that consequence and your why. Work the bank holidays, work your birthday, work all the weekends. You have time. Never ever say to yourself, I don't have time. That's a loser's mentality and a victim mentality. Work 2 shifts every day. Work your full time, come home, say hello to the family, let them go to bed, open up that laptop and say to your partner, look, I'm doing this for us. It's only going to be for the next 2 to 5 years. 5 years of sacrificing for 45 years of freedom. Or you can have 5 years coasting and 50 years of slavery in the system. Say no to time wasting activities. Learn how to create marketing content and produce every day, never consume. Add value to people's lives and learn to create communities, even if it's free communities, and become the host with the most. And then you can start to influence people and you'll become an authority figure in your business, in your niche. Network every single week. Book a train ticket and go into your biggest city. So for example, in the UK, you should be going into London, speaking with business owners, other entrepreneurs, getting in circles, business breakfast meetings, going to marketing, sales, business exhibitions, at the London Excel, whatever. Book networking events all the time and go there on your own. Expand your network. You do not want to be talking or thinking about business with co-workers. You need to be matching yourself and running against people who are already in the entrepreneurship game and who are 5, 6, 10, 15 steps ahead of you. So you can absorb all of the information and apply it into what you're doing. Networking is so important. Your network is your net worth. It truly is down to who you know, and so many doors can be opened up. And it speeds your process of getting out the 9 to 5. And get used to being tired. Some people are just not willing to be tired. I'm always tired, but I love it. I get to do, what is it? It's a Wednesday, it's 11:45. I'm filming this, I've had some meetings, I've had some lovely lunch, I'm going to the gym in a minute. Yeah, I'm tired, but I love it. I can sleep whenever I want. We'll have plenty of sleep when we're old and we're gone. Never give up. Never have a plan B. There was a comment on my TikTok today about my son and him building his business, right? Anyway, for context, someone said, oh, well, what if it doesn't work out for your son then? What's his plan B? You never have a plan B because you go in on plan A and back yourself. And then you remind yourself why you're doing this with your why and your consequence. It irritates me when people say, what's your plan B? I had people all the time say to me, Aaron, what's your plan B? Don't have one. Well, what if it don't work out? Don't know, I'll figure it out. But it has worked out. Why? Because I went all in on plan A. Never have a plan B. And then finally, it's hard. The process is simple. Learn, educate, discipline, consistency, evolve, rinse, repeat. The process is super simple. Think about it. The average UK salary is only £1,600 a month. Now, let's just break this down into a few options, right? 1,600. Okay, so even just to replace the average, we need £400 gross per month. Think about how many products, how many services replace that amount in either one service, one product, one coaching call. There's so many ways that you could replace the minimum of £400. I mean, look, I'm gonna show you this. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. Let's hold it. There we go. Joe might be able to zoom in. That's just me putting up a post. £655 dropped into my bank today. And then yesterday, 646 quid. Through Stripe. There's so many ways to earn money. So many ways to earn money. It's madness. It's just madness. You can replace the average UK salary, but you've got to get your spending better. You've got to reduce the amount that you spend and learn how to sell. Learn marketing, create on free social media. That's how you replace your job. It's super simple. Not everyone can do it. Let me know what you think in the comments. I hope this woke you up. That's the purpose of all my videos, right? Makes no odds really whether you go and do it to my life. It really makes no odds, but I am here to help. Let me know what you think in the comments. Go ahead and get your free guide, by the way, which is in the description, to quitting your job. And I've got some other free communities you could join. Until next time, I'll see you all very soon.